Hi guys, it's me Jake, and today I'm gonna be reviewing my pilots and my titans. So, this is one of the pilots. This is another one. And so one of the titans. One of the titans, the cockpits actually. As you can see, you have to hold these down. They can't open. See? They can't open because we got these joints right here. So, yeah. And it is a stridor from Titanfall 1. So, gotta put that back with the pilot. Now I'm gonna show you my ogre or a scourge. It's an ogre or a scourge. This is my ogre or a scourge. As you can see, it can. This is the hatch, and it can also open up. There's a little control panel. So there was my review. In the future, I think. Nope, I'm not going to be showing you how to build these. Maybe if I want to. So there was your little review. My Titans.